1. Choose the correct item. Centaurs were mythical creatures. Can you see the future? The phoenix can save a person's life. The house burst into flames. Phoenix tears can heal wounds. She was sad. She had tears in her eyes. Dragons could breathe fire from their mouths.
What type of film does each picture show? Circle the correct word. 1. Western or action? Action. 2. Horror or comedy? Comedy. 3. Historical or detective? Historical. 4. Romance or adventure? Adventure.
3. Complete the sentences with hatch, crawled, appeared, laid, nest, climbed, branches, swallowed, returned. 1. The Samrook had a nest high in the branches of the tree of life. 2. In the spring, a golden egg appeared in the nest. 3. The bird stayed in the tree all summer, but the egg didn't hatch. 4. The dragon climbed up the tree, swallowed the golden egg, and crawled down to the underworld. 5. The Samrook returned to the tree next spring and laid another egg. 4. Choose the correct item. 1. The myth dates back to the 3rd century BC. 2. Who wrote about the famous creatures? 3. The temple was dedicated to Poseidon. 4 men worked in the fields. 5. There was a statue of Poseidon in the temple. 6. It disappeared into the ocean. 7. The 2 earthquakes happened at the same time. 8. The wall was covered in gold.
Label the pictures. Writer, painter, sculptor, poet. Label the pictures. Saxophone, accordion, harp, violin, cello, guitar. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like it. I have a lot of useful English videos. Подписывайся на мой канал. Не забудь поставить лайк. У меня много полезных материалов по английскому языку. Если ты хочешь иметь все ответы по английскому языку в одном файле, то ты можешь купить Teacher's Book. Цена 1000 тенге. В формате PDF. Но помни, это не для списывания, а для углубленного изучения языка.